How to change the United Airlines app language. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you want to change the United Airlines app language, you can do it by your system setting on the device itself. However, there are only limited options that you can change the language to. In order to do so, you'll have to long press your United Airlines application. Then go to App Info. From there, select on the language. After that, select the language in which you are switching to. As mentioned earlier, you just have limited options such as Espanol. From here, you can select different kinds of region that you want the language of, and once that is done, the language is successfully switched or changed. Now, if you want to switch it back, the step is similar. You again have to long press the United Airlines application, go to the language tab, and then switch to the system default or English. That is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.